Greetings from our channel. In this video, we'll examine tigers, one of the world's deadliest predators. Tigers are stunning animals, but many reports of them assaulting and devouring live prey attest to their reputation as terrible murderers. The interest of people all across the world has long been captured by the magnificent beasts known as tigers. They are the biggest cats and are amazing to look at, with strong muscles and distinguishing stripes that allow them to fit in with their surroundings. They are feared predators in the wild because of their extraordinary power and agility. Despite their reputation for being ferocious, tigers are actually highly intelligent creatures with intricate social structures. They are incredibly protective of their young and will violently defend their area from any invaders. They are extremely territorial species. In the wild, tigers inhabit a range of habitats, from deep forests to grassy plains, and they have evolved in several distinctive ways to survive in each of these locations. Regrettably, tiger populations have been declining globally in recent years, and many species are now classified endangered. This is mostly because habitat loss and poaching have put these wonderful animals in danger of going extinct. Tigers and their habitats are being protected through conservation initiatives, but much more has to be done to guarantee their survival for future generations. Tigers continue to be a representation of strength and beauty for people all throughout the world, despite the difficulties they face in the wild. Tigers are absolutely unique animals that grab the imagination and instill awe in everyone who encounters them, from their striking stripes to their potent roar. In their natural environments, tigers are top carnivores and apex predators. As a result, other animals make up the majority of their diet. They have a reputation for consuming a variety of species, including smaller prey like birds, fish, and reptiles, as well as larger prey like deer, pigs, buffalo, and other large mammals. One of the most fearsome predators in the animal kingdom. Tigers are able to take down prey that is considerably larger than themselves thanks to their massive size and power. Tigers use their acute senses to find their prey when hunting. They can discern odors from a great distance and have keen hearing and eyesight. Once they have discovered their target, they execute a surprise assault using their strong muscles and razor-sharp claws, frequently killing their prey with a single bite to the neck. Tigers are renowned for their swimming prowess and propensity for catching fish and other aquatic creatures. Tigers, despite their reputation as vicious predators, are critical top predators in their habitats. They aid in maintaining nature's delicate balance by regulating prey animal populations. Since the loss of tigers is producing imbalances in prey populations and upsetting food chains, these ecosystems are suffering as a result of the global drop in tiger populations. In conclusion, tigers are amazing animals that can adapt to a variety of habitats and can kill prey that is considerably bigger than themselves. Their ecosystems depend on them as top predators, but habitat degradation and poaching are endangering their populations. To safeguard these amazing species and assure their existence for future generations, it is critical to continue conservation activities. Tigers are powerful hunters that can take down prey that is much bigger than they are. The manner in which tigers kill their prey is among the most gruesome features of their attacks. Tigers are renowned for their stealth and speed, which they use to surprise their prey by striking suddenly. Tigers generally grasp their prey by the neck, choking or shattering them. After they have caught them, the victim frequently dies quickly and brutally as a result of this. But some tigers choose to consume their prey while it is still alive, a procedure that might take hours and is really terrible. There have been several confirmed instances of tigers attacking and devouring humans, albeit it is a rare event. Because of the tiger's strength and fury, which make it an almost invisible predator, the victims in these incidents frequently had little chance of surviving. In conclusion, it is both amazing and scary to witness how tigers slaughter their victims. Their power and agility allow them to take down food that is considerably bigger than themselves. Yet the idea of being eaten alive by a tiger is absolutely horrific. It is crucial to keep in mind that these are wild animals and should always be handled carefully and with respect. To save these gorgeous animals and guarantee their existence in the wild, conservation activities are essential. When a tiger makes the decision to consume its victim alive, it usually starts by biting into a weak spot, such as the abdomen or throat. This initial assault may result in serious bleeding and severe internal injury. The victim will then start to die while the tiger is still eating it, frequently starting with the internal organs. It is difficult to picture the experience of being eaten alive by a tiger. When a tiger attacks, the sensation of being torn apart by the animal's powerful jaws and razor-sharp fangs is tremendously horrifying and agonizing. Tigers are strong, ferocious predators that are practically impossible to defeat in the wild. The tiger utilizes its strong jaws to cling onto its prey's body when it attacks, easily tearing through both flesh and bone. Tiger bite victims experience excruciating pain as the teeth rip into their muscles, tendons, and skin. The tiger's jaws are so strong that they can easily break bones, causing further trauma and damage. Attempts by victims to defend themselves during a tiger attack are frequently ineffective. It is nearly hard to escape the animal's grasp due to its tremendous power and quickness. Attempts by victims to kick or strike the tiger are likely to be rebuffed by the animal with even more ferocity. The agony and misery that comes with being devoured alive by a tiger can last for hours. As the tiger continues to eat its prey, it frequently begins with the internal organs before going on to other body parts. It is a particularly horrifying experience because victims may be alert and aware of what is happening to them the entire time. Tiger assaults on people are uncommon, but they do happen. These attacks frequently occur as a result of human interference with the tiger's habitat or a lack of effective conservation measures to safeguard these wonderful animals. It's critical to keep in mind that tigers are wild creatures and ought to be handled carefully and with respect. In conclusion, it is horrifying and unimaginable to imagine being eaten alive by a tiger. When a tiger attacks, its strong jaws and fangs can rip through the bodies of its victims, causing them great pain and suffering. Recognizing the value of conservation efforts is crucial if we are to safeguard these amazing animals and guarantee that they will continue to exist in the natural world for future generations. One such example of this merciless behavior was captured in a video that went viral a few years ago. The footage shows a group of tigers attacking and eating a deer while it is still alive. The tigers took turns biting and clawing at the deer, driving it across the ground as it desperately tried to escape. The video is difficult to watch, and it's a stark reminder of just how brutal nature can be. Tigers have developed into expert hunters who use their extraordinary strength, agility, and acute senses to find and seize their prey. Yet, occasionally, they are unable to quickly dispatch their prey, and this can result in the victim's deaths being drawn out and agonizing. While some scientists argue that tigers turn to devouring animals alive because they are starving, others contend that it is just a natural nature of tigers as predators. Animals in the wild are frequently obliged to eat whatever food they can find in order to survive, and this may include hunting and killing smaller prey or eating live prey. Although this behavior is cruel, it is also fascinating from a scientific standpoint. Researchers can learn more about tigers' behavior as well as the intricate interactions that occur in the wild by observing how they hunt and eat. It's also crucial to remember that, despite being uncommon, tiger attacks on people do occasionally happen. These attacks frequently occur as a result of human interference with the tiger's habitat or a lack of effective conservation measures to safeguard these wonderful animals. Understanding tiger behavior will help us conserve tigers and their habitats more effectively, guaranteeing that they will continue to exist in the natural environment for a very long time. As this film comes to a close, it's abundantly evident that tigers are among the planet's deadliest and most dreadful predators. While admiring their beauty and watching them in motion is magnificent, it's crucial to keep in mind that they have the potential to be extremely hazardous. There is little chance for the creatures they feed on to escape their lethal hold. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content.